Okay, it's very quiet. Here is a bonus. So guys, for the first time ever we've got together GT43 4-door, GT53 with the V8 package that we'll talk about in a minute, optics, my GT63S, and a bonus GT63 from the tuning company Performaster. Now of course you've seen the 63, you know what it looks like. What's interesting here on the 53, that's not the standard body kit. This is something that is called the V8 optics package. So essentially you get a very similar look to my car, as you can see here. But the main difference, that's just plastic there, where we've got the actual intake on this one. And of course calipers wise, we've got yellow ones here, silver ones on this car. And then the big difference on the rear, with the 53s you get the nice round pipes, which I actually really like. I don't think they look any less menacing than the quadrupedal ones on the 63. So essentially on the markets that you can't really afford to get the 63s because of emissions, etc. The 53, really cool option. You can make it look just like that car as well. 43, here you see kind of the standard body kit. So if you look carefully, that goes straight across. This isn't as aggressive as that body style. You still got the round pipes like in the 53. Smaller wheels on this spec. Of course you can get bigger, of course you can. But then the front, completely different. You still get the grille because it's a GT, but it's a lot more neutered. So that's normally what you would get in the equivalent 53 if you don't have that package. Still looks good. And really, GT4 Door family, the best that AMG does, especially this one.